Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see ca- uh, how to take screenshot on Snapchat without moving. So to do that, let's head over to the Snapchat application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the DM section and then head over to any DM section in here. And here, if you have DMs and let's say you want to take a screenshot of this chat. So what you can do is just to download any other screenshotting or screen recorder mobile application on your phone. And once you install it, use the screenshot option of that app to take a screenshot. So I'm tapping on screenshot in here, as you could see, tapping on start now. And I have taken a screenshot. And if I just go back, as you can see, I have already taken a screenshot. But there is no option that is showing me I have taken a screenshot or this chat has taken a screenshot. So this is a glitch on Snapchat, you can say. If other apps take a screenshot of the Snapchat, it can't locate that or avail it. So yeah, this is how you can just take screenshot on Snapchat without knowing. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.